It was announced that the domestic and national Guidance Kit HGK-82, Precision Guidance Kit, developed by TÜBİTAK SAGE, entered the inventory with the highest locality rate. Announcing the development on its Twitter account, TÜBİTAK SAGE, HGK-82, the domestic and national guidance kit with the highest domestic rate, is in the inventory. With the aim of full independence in the defense industry, TÜBİTAK SAGE Institute Director Gürkan Okumus shared a visual and explanation on 12 November 2021 describing the HGK-82, Precision Guidance Kit 82, hitting a very low SEP range target with national components. The details of the said shot of the HGK-82 were shared on the official Twitter account of TÜBİTAK SAGE on November 16, 2021. It was announced in the past months that the HGK-82, which took its place in the inventory of the Air Force Command, is ready for delivery with the subsystem components Atlas and KAŞİF developed by TÜBİTAK SAGE. In this context, TÜBİTAK SAGE Institute Director Gürkan Okumus stated on his official Instagram account that new precision guidance kits are ready for delivery. Precision Guidance Kits HGK-82s are ready for delivery. Global Positioning Receiver TÜBİTAK SAGE Product KAŞİF, Inertial Measurement Unit TÜBİTAK SAGE Product Atlas with the highest locality rate kit configuration. HGK-82 is a multi-throw guidance kit with BRU-57 adapter, which converts existing 500 pounds Mk-82 general-purpose bombs into air-to-ground smart and sensitive ammunition with the KKS-ANS guidance system.